Hello, you're welcome to my channel. This is another day. I will excel the mathematics teacher in the I will excel maths. Thank you very much for being in here. I'm so grateful. And we are going to learn a lot this day. We are still on the plane shape. We've just finished the trapezium and we're going to enter into another shape. And another shape we are entering now is a triangle. A triangle is a shape with three sides, just as the name sounds, with three sides. Want us to understand all about the triangles before we start calculating the triangle. Today we're going to understand some triangles and learn how to calculate the sides. Thank you very much. Can you listen and learn more? Okay, these are some types of what? Triangle. The first one is equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal, just as the name sounds, equilateral, equal sides. This one is called scaling. Scaling. None of the sides are equal. This side is bigger than this, and this is bigger than this. None of the sides are equal. Coming to this, we call it right-angled triangle. In right-angled triangle, we have an angle of 90 degrees deposited. Angle of what? 90 degrees. Right angled triangle. Okay. In this one, we call this isosceles. What did I say? Isosceles. Isosceles triangle is a triangle where the opposite sides are equal. Can it recap it again? Equilateral, scaling, right angle triangle, and isosceles. These are the types of triangle you need to know before we get into the study of a triangle. Now, well, let us get into the calculations of the area of a triangle. Calculation of the area of a triangle. I told you you are not going to cram anything. From my teaching, you are going to learn how to derive your formula without cramming. So the first one you have to know, you always put it in a song, the formula for area. Yes. Let's start with that of area. From that of area, you are going to derive the rest. Okay. Area is half times base times height. Area is what? Half times base times height. In triangle, we have a triangle, and this is the base, and this is the height. Half times base times height. Okay. This half times base that has, sometimes you'll be required to find the base. Finding base, yes. Finding base, what do? I write what I know. I use what I know to get what I don't know. What do I know? I know that area is half times base times height. I cross multiply. I have 2 area equals to base times height. What am I looking for? I'm looking for base. I will divide both sides with the one I am not looking for. Which one am I not looking for? I'm not looking for height. So I divide this side with height. I divide this side with height. Height cancels height. Base is now the subject of the formula. I now substitute this with the number I will be given. Finding base. Let's talk about finding height, okay? Good. Finding height. You first of all write what you know. Always write what you know first. What do I know? I know that area is half times base times height. Yes. I cross multiply. 2 area is equals to base times height. You see? Then I will divide both sides with the one I am not looking for. What am I looking for? I'm looking for height. I'm not looking for base. So I'll divide both sides with the one I am not looking for. I'm not looking for base. So I divide both sides with base. Base cancel base. Height is now the subject of the formula. And that brings us to the formula of finding triangle. Area is half times base times height. Then base is 2 area over height. And height is 2 area over base. If you can learn it this way, you're going to calculate your triangle very well. Thank you very much. And remember to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. You learn a lot. Thank you very much. See you next time where we start calculating area. Thank you very much.